Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Chain Products for WooCommerce. Introduction to Chain Products. In this video, I will introduce you to the Chain Products plugin for WooCommerce. This plugin is great for bundling products and managing them with ease. The Chain Products plugin is designed to make managing bundled products simple. It lets you link multiple products together so they are automatically added to the cart when the main product is purchased. Using this plugin can save you time and reduce manual work, especially when selling bundles or special offers. It's great for improving customer experience too. Here's how it simplifies managing bundled products. You can define the products you want to chain together directly in the product page settings. Once set up, customers won't have to manually add individual items. Everything gets added to the cart automatically. For example, you can bundle a main item like a laptop with free headphones or a smartwatch. The possibilities are endless. The plugin supports product bundles, buy one get one offers, and nesting bundles with bundles. For example, you can create a bundle with 3 items or offer a free product when a customer buys a product. You can even create advanced setups by nesting bundles inside other bundles, and that's it. In this video, we have covered what this plugin does, its benefits, use cases, and key features. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.